Welcome back to another summer Cricut project tutorial. I actually made a video 3 years ago making popsicle holders, but I thought I would add an updated one. These mermaid and shark holders are super cute. First, I'll show you in Cricut Design Space how I put the names together. I'm going to grab my font, and I found a really fun font from dafont.com for this project. It's called Cozy Mermaid. I'll click on that, and then I'm going to type in all three of my kids' names for this project. Now I'm just going to pick the colors that I'm going to be using. Josh is going to be white, and it's going on a blue popsicle holder. Quinn is going to be a glitter pink, but I'm just going to choose pink. And Emmy is going to be green. This ocean theme font is super fun, and I just think it'll go really well with the popsicle holders. Now I'm going to figure out my size. I'm going to grab Quinn, which should be the longest one, and I am going to make her name 3.75 inches. Now what I'm going to do is copy my font size for Quinn, and I am going to make Josh and Emmy that same font size. So I'm just using my short keys on my computer to do that, and I will go over to Josh and hit paste. His is really close to that size anyways, and Emmy's is close to that size too. But I'll just hit paste to make it the exact same. Okay, now I can just click make it. I'm using heat transfer vinyl or iron-on, so I am going to mirror all of these. Then I'll click continue. Then I'll select everyday iron-on for my setting. I'm using Caesar Easy Weed. I place it shiny side down on the Cricut mat. For these last two, it's glitter HTV, so I want to change it to glitter iron-on, and my blade has been kind of cutting through the vinyl, so I am going to select less pressure. These are both glitter Caesar Easy Weed, and I place them shiny side down as well. Once it's done cutting, I am able to weed out my design. This font is a little trickier to weed it out, but with heat transfer vinyl or iron-on, it's a little easier to weed than adhesive vinyl, so I did end up getting it to work. I sped these videos up, so I actually did weed this out pretty slowly to make sure that I got it all weeded correctly. Also, I love using my pen tool. It just works so well. The popsicle holders are made of neoprene, so for my Easy Press Mini, I looked on my Cricut heat guide and it said to use medium heat for 20 seconds. This had some lint on it, so I used a lint roller to remove that first. Then I placed my first name down. It wasn't sticking very well, so I decided to grab my heat-resistant tape and tape it on both sides. Then I placed my Teflon sheet over the entire thing. This just protects the material, and I start running my Easy Press Mini over it, and I do that for 20 seconds. You can also use parchment paper if you don't have a Teflon sheet. Then I'm ready to remove my carrier sheet. I did this while it was still warm, and it just adheres so well to this material. I just love how fitting this font is for this. Now I'm ready to make the girls' mermaid tails. I use a lint roller over that as well, and then I add my vinyl on top. I use heat-resistant tape again, then I place my Teflon sheet back on top. I also use the same setting for this. It works great for glitter as well. I removed the carrier sheet, and the glitter stuck down super well also. Then I follow the exact same process for the other one. For this font, I don't love the M's. It's kind of hard to tell it's an M, but I still think it's really cute. Here's a final look at these. They're so fun. I love this font. The glitter looks super cute on a mermaid tail. Once again, these are super popular. I didn't come up with this, but I've been making them for a long time. I thought I'd show you the ones I made 3 years ago. The vinyl is in perfect condition, but they are really dirty from my kids using it for the past 3 summers. They love these. They use them with those ice pops. I'm not sure exactly what they're called, but they are awesome. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's completely free and I make tons of Cricut and crafting videos.